Hey there, corporate misfits, and welcome to the series Mastering Kajabi in 21 Days. I'm so excited to share with you about how you can use Kajabi in your online coaching, your course creation, or membership business so that you can build a life of freedom and stop trading time for money. So if you are new around here, my name is Brittany Darrington, and I'm the founder of the Corporate Misfit community, and I help women to build their online business using platforms like Kajabi so that they can automate, create sales with ease, and ultimately build their courses and coaching business and sharing their expertise with their tribe. So in this series, we're going to talk all about how to use Kajabi inside and out, the perks of using Kajabi, and how it can really change your life. So if you have not tried out Kajabi yet, I do have a trial which supports this channel, and also you can get some amazing resources such as landing pages that we have designed for you, such as sales pages, thank you pages, opt-in, and also some registration and tripwire pages. In addition to that, you can get access to our mini training, which is our beta launch club, which allows you to learn how to launch an online course or a coaching business in just 30 days. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right into what we're going to talk about in today's lesson. How to grow your audience fast with Kajabi. So one of the things I absolutely love about Kajabi is that there are several ways for you to get traffic to your website and ultimately to your programs, your coaching, and your consulting business. So there are several features, and I want to point out all these different features. Now, please know that you don't have to use them all in order to get traffic, but I want you to pick at least one to help you to grow your business and ultimately build your tribe. So the first one is blogging. If you are a fan of writing and you want to share more about your expertise in written form, Kajabi allows you to be able to create a blog and share that with your audience. Now, once you create this blog, don't just let it sit in online land. You want to definitely take some time to share this, whether it's on social media, tell friends about it, share it with your tribe via email, and so much more. Now, in your blogs, a way for you to grow your audience is not for them to just read what it is that you're providing, but provide opt-ins to help take them a step further, to get them further along on their journey. So not only are you allowing your customers to learn more about a specific topic that you're teaching, but you're also giving yourself an opportunity and growing your business by getting them to opt into your email list. That allows you to keep connections with them and build a relationship along the way. Now, another way that you can really grow your audience fast with Kajabi is creating podcasts. So maybe you have been looking to share your expertise in an audio form, and you're not necessarily ready for video or anything along those lines yet. And so one of the ways that you can definitely do that is utilizing the new podcast feature that Kajabi features. So this podcast feature allows you to be able to share your audio, whether it's a paid or public podcast. If you want to do something that is paid, well, then maybe you provide special episodes for the people who are paying a subscription model. And for the public audience, you share maybe a weekly podcast to ultimately provide more expertise about what it is you're talking about. I find that building a relationship with your audience, whether it's blog or podcast, is a really great way for you to grow your audience and ultimately build a relationship with them. Because when people like and trust you, they are more likely to buy from you. Now, let's talk about some other ways you can build your business and really grow your audience with Kajabi. Opt-ins. So throughout your website, if you want to have a high converting website, you want to include some opt-ins throughout your website that ultimately lead to your lead magnet or maybe a evergreen webinar or things along the lines to help you to grow your email list. So you can have this in the very top of your website or all throughout your website to ultimately be able to get more people to opt in, whether it's a PDF lead magnet that you're providing, a workshop or a evergreen webinar or a live webinar. There's so many ways that you can be able to actually grow your audience just through your website alone. Now, Kajabi makes it easy for you to create these opt-in pages and be able to create two-step opt-ins. So then when someone clicks on a call to action, they're going to the next step within their journey to ultimately get the lead magnet that you have promised that is full of value. Now, Kajabi has some other features which require a little bit more work than just creating a opt-in or creating a blog or a podcast. And it's some of their different pipelines that you can definitely share to really kick off things and get people to your courses, your coaching, and so much more, as well as build your audience. So some of their pipelines, they have something called OVO pipelines, they have sales funnel pipelines, the list goes on. And as you go into the back end, you can see some of these different product launch pipelines that can help you to create a series of videos or a series of emails to ultimately grow your audience and get some revenue into your business. Now, I have not seen a platform that really invests in helping you to market your business in a way that's authentic, in a way that really connects, in a way that ultimately helps you to scale your business. I've been on so many other platforms that focus on just selling, but they don't provide all the tools and the resources to help you do just that. Well, Kajabi makes it so much easier for you to do that. Now, some of the other things that you can do on Kajabi to help you grow is to use JV marketing. So JV affiliates, which is an affiliate program that you can set up within Kajabi, you can share with other like-minded individuals who might have your audience. Maybe it's an indirect competition, and ultimately they are sharing about something that's going to complement what you share about. And ultimately the two of you together, well, it's paradise when you get together. So you can share links which will allow you to either give commission to the people who refer and the people who ultimately buy from you. And you can utilize those links through your JV affiliates to share with other people around the world and share with their audience. It helps you to grow your business faster, and it also helps you to eliminate some of the other headaches when it comes to keeping up with your affiliate marketing and knowing how to pay people out via commission. So those are just a few of the ways that you can get started with growing your audience through Kajabi. And I want you to know, no matter what you choose, the most important thing is that you have to share your blog, your podcast, your affiliate links, your landing pages, your opt-ins, your website to others in order to get this going. It's not going to work on its own, but ultimately, if you feed the different opt-ins, if you feed the blog, if you feed the podcast, and you ultimately send people to where it is you want them to go, well, that's when magic happens. So let me know below what you're doing to help grow your audience on Kajabi. If you're just getting started, let me know some of the things that you want to do in order to grow your business on Kajabi. And don't forget, don't do it all at once. Try one thing at a time, and then once you master that, you can incorporate the next thing to help you to grow your audience. Thanks so much for watching this video, and make sure you access your trial to Kajabi and those free amazing resources that we have for you, such as the pre-designed landing pages and the mini course on how to launch your first course in just 30 days. Okay, I'll see you in some of the upcoming videos.